Hanuman Jayanti, the festival of birth of Lord Hanuman. Hanuman Jayanti or Hanuman Janmotsav is a Hindu religious festival that celebrates the birth of Lord Shri Hanuman, who is immensely worshipped throughout India. This festival is celebrated on different days in different parts of India. In most states of India, the festival is observed either in Chaitra, which usually on the day of Chaitra Purnima, or in Vaishakh, while in a few states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, it is celebrated in Dhanu, called Margazi in Tamil. There are several different stories narrated about birth of Lord Hanuman. Lord Hanuman was born on the Ajneri hill. His mother Anjani was an Apsara who was born on earth due to a curse. She was redeemed from this curse on giving birth to a son. The Valmiki Ramayana states that his father Kesari was the son of Brihaspati. He was the king of a place named Sumeru. Anjani performed intense prayers lasting 12 long years to Rudra, means Lord Shiva, to get a child. Pleased with their devotion, Rudra granted them the son. Lord Hanuman, in another interpretation, is the incarnation or reflection of Rudra himself. Lord Hanuman is often called the son of the deity Vayu, means wind god. Several different traditions account for the god Vayu's role in Hanuman's birth. One story mentioned in Sant Eknath's Bhagavad Ramayana in 16th century CE states that when Anjani was worshipping Rudra, the king Dashratha of Ayodhya was also performing the ritual of Putra Kameshri Yajna in order to have children. As a result, he received pot of kheer, means payas, to be shared by his 3 wives, leading to the births of Ram, Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughna. By divine ordinance, a eagle snatched a fragment of that payas and dropped it while flying over the forest where Anjani was engaged in worship. Vayu, the Hindu deity of the wind, delivered the falling payas to the outstretched hands of Anjani, who consumed it. Lord Hanuman was born to her as a result. Another tradition says that Anjani and her husband Kesari prayed Rudra for a child. By Rudra's direction, Vayu transferred his male energy to Anjani's womb. Accordingly, Lord Hanuman is identified as the son of the god Vayu. On this auspicious day, devotees of Lord Hanuman celebrate him and seek his protection and blessings. They flock to temples to worship him and present religious offerings. In return, the devotees receive prasad by the temple pandit as sweets, flowers, coconuts, tilak, sacred ash means udi and Ganga Jal means holy water. People also celebrate him on this day by reciting various devotional hymns and prayers like the Hanuman Chalisa and reading holy scriptures like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Hanuman Jayanti is an important festival of the Hindus. Lord Hanuman is an energetic devotee of Lord Shri Ram and is widely known for his determined devotion to Shri Ram. Lord Hanuman is a symbol of strength and energy. He is said to be able to assume any form at will, wield the Gada including many celestial weapons, move mountains, dart through the air, seize the clouds, and equally rival Garuda in the swiftness of flight. Lord Hanuman is worshipped as a deity with the ability to attain victory against evil and provide protection. The devotees visit temples and apply tilak of sindoor to their foreheads from Lord Hanuman's idol. As per legend, when Lord Hanuman found Devi Sita applying sindoor to her forehead, he questioned her and she replied that doing so would ensure a long life for her husband Lord Shri Ram. Lord Hanuman then proceeded to smear his entire body with sindoor, thus ensuring Lord Shri Rama's immortality. On this day in Hanuman temple, spiritual discourses begin at dawn since Lord Hanuman was born at sunrise. During the time frame of birth, the spiritual discourse is halted and the offering of food means prasad is distributed to everyone. On Hanuman Jayanti, sadhaks observe fast and carry out special puja, path and anushthan. That is, Shri Ramacharitra-manas Akhand Path, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Path, Srimad Bhagavad Puran Path, Srimad Vishnu Puran Path, and Abhishek to Lord Vishnu along with part of Vishnu Sahasranam, Ram Nam Mantra Ashtajam. Spiritual discourses are organized in most of the Hindu temples on this day. Lord Hanuman is considered as the most powerful being in all the lokas, means realms. There are several different mantras, stotras are reciting to worship Lord Hanuman. The Hanuman Chalisa is a Hindu devotional hymn, means stotra, addressed to Lord Hanuman. It was authored by the great poet Tulsidas in the Audhi language and is his best known text apart from the Ramacharitra-manas. The word Chalisa is derived from Chalis, which means the number 40 in Hindi. As the Hanuman Chalisa has 40 verses, excluding the couplets at the beginning and at the end. It is believed among that reciting the Hanuman Chalisa can ward off evil spirits, reduce the effect of planet Saturn, and help those troubled by nightmares. It gives one strength and courage to face challenges in life. The Maruti Stotra, composed by Sant Ramdas Swami. Maruti Stotra is one of the most powerful stotra for getting strength, courage, protection, happiness and peace. Maruti Stotra is known as Sankatanashan Stotra, means removal of crises and giving security from diseases, dangers, accidents and enemies. It is helpful in getting rid of all kinds of ghostly, demonic and inharmonious mystic beings. Happy Hanuman Jayanti to all. May Lord Hanuman blesses each one of us with strength, courage, power, protection and happiness.